Well, no. There she goes. She's gonna bite that water. Still got a little respect for it though. But the better it feels, I think, the more she's gonna go for it. You remember this watering hole, don't you? Let's see if you can swim down here. Now the mosaic rock here is really something else. The shale. Ontario County did an incredible job a few years ago when they rebuilt this whole area. I'm going to creep down here a little bit further and I'm going to park my bike. I'm going to see if we can scooch along the river. Go swim, Pat. Now you got your butt wet, you might as well go swim. Go swim. Swim, swim. I'm coming. I'm coming. Go on, swim. Come on, swim over here. Look, it's not even over your head. It's not even over your head. Those rocks are slippery though, huh?